Welcome to the August 2026 construction update at the Vue Residences. 7 towers, 7 stages of progress, starting with Tower A. The 16th floor roof slab work is currently in progress, taking the tower another step higher. Moving to Tower B. The 22nd floor roof slab work is currently in progress, marking continued vertical progress on the tower. Tower C has reached the 30th floor. The 30th floor roof slab and LMR roof slab are completed. Blockwork and plastering for the service lift and one passenger lift are completed, while ledge wall works continue. Internal waterproofing has reached the 10th floor, and internal plumbing is completed up to the 8th floor. Tower D is already into advanced finishing and handover. Flooring, bathroom flooring, staircase and corridor flooring are completed across all floors. Glass railings, wooden doors and lift cladding are also completed. And the latest update records 88 flats handed over for interiors, with further handovers in progress. More importantly, 24 flats in Tower D are already occupied by customers. Tower E is progressing along a similar finishing path. Flooring, bathroom finishes, staircase and corridor flooring are completed. Fine putty and sanding are completed, while final painting and door polishing continue. 69 flats have been handed over for interiors, with balance handovers in progress. And today, 25 flats in Tower E are already occupied by customers. Tower F is also well into its finishing stage. Flooring, bathroom flooring, staircase and corridor flooring are completed. Windows, glass railings, wooden doors and lift cladding are completed. And 39 flats have been handed over for interiors, with further handovers underway. And 15 flats in Tower F are already occupied by customers. And Tower G continues across multiple finishing activities. Terrace waterproofing and external texture painting are in progress. Marble flooring inside flats is progressing, while corridor tile flooring is completed. Internal waterproofing has been completed up to the 18th floor, and fire sprinkler works up to the 22nd floor. Internal plumbing has reached the 25th floor, with works continuing on the remaining floors. From structure to finishing, and from finishing to handover, every tower is moving through its own stage of progress. A better view of the Vue Residences is taking shape.